Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python complete course. So in the last video we completed unit 5, that is file handling and exception handling. So now we are going to start unit 6, that is NumPy. So NumPy is the one of the uh, important Python libraries for numerical computing. It is widely used in data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data analysis, scientific computing, and image processing. So by the end of this video, you will learn about what is NumPy, why NumPy is used, installing NumPy, feature of NumPy, importing NumPy, and many other about NumPy. So let's start this video. So first one is what is NumPy? So NumPy numerical Python is a powerful Python library used for numerical computing. It provides fast multi-dimensional array and mathematical functions. So basically NumPy stands for numerical Python. It is an open source Python library used for performing fast mathematical and numerical operations. Unlike Python, like NumPy, store data in array, they are much faster and more memory efficient. Unlike Python list, NumPy store data in array much faster and more efficient. So, the basic definition is NumPy is a Python library that provides support for large multi-dimensional array and a collection of mathematical functions to operate on them. So, the next question is why use NumPy? So, NumPy is faster than Python list, consume much less energy and provide built-in mathematical, statistical, and linear algebra function. So suppose you have 1 million number. If you store them in Python list, mathematical operation becomes slower. NumPy solve this problem by providing faster execution, less memory uses, optimized calculation, built-in mathematical function. So that is why almost every data science and AI project use NumPy. And the feature of NumPy are fast execution, multi-dimensional arrays, more efficient, memory efficient, powerful mathematical functions, a statistical operation, linear algebra support, random number generation, AG integration with Panda, Matplotlib, and TensorFlow. So the next one is installing NumPy. Install using pip install NumPy. So if NumPy not install, open the terminal or command prompt and type pip NumPy install. After installation, NumPy is ready to use. Like you just go to like this, and if NumPy is not installed, just type pip install NumPy like this. It will it will install NumPy in your terminal. It, sorry, I have to print this in your terminal like this. So here the NumPy is not recognized as the name of the command function or script file. Check the spelling there must be something like that. You have to type. You can also search Just search it on Google. So you just have to type pip install NumPy or Python -m pip install NumPy like this. If you do this, then print this in your terminal, then NumPy automatically install in your terminal. So next one is importing NumPy. So import the library using import NumPy as np. So to use NumPy, first import it. Like when you import math or other like this, so same like this, you just type here like import NumPy and like this. So here NumPy is the library and NP is the commonly used alias. So using NP make writing code shorter and easier. So the next one is creating array. So create array using np dot array. NumPy support 1D, 2D and multi-dimensional array. So to create array using np.array or NumPy also support 1D, 2D, multi, 3D dimensional array, many type of dimensional array. So, so the next is it advantage. So or before going to the advantage, we will compare it with NumPy array with Python list. So Python list is slower, you more memory, limited mathematical operation, general purpose. Whereas NumPy array is faster, use less memory, powerful mathematical operation, numerical computing. So its advantage is a high performance, uh, less memory consumption, easy mathematical calculation, easy to work with large data set, industry standard for numerical computing. And these are its application that data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, image processing, and statistics. And these are the practice programs that install NumPy, import NumPy, create a 1D and 2D array, write array type and shape. So next one is the interview question like what is NumPy? So NumPy is numerical Python, and why is NumPy faster than Python list? So because NumPy use optimized contiguous memory storage and vectorize operation. And how do you install NumPy? So you just go to your terminal list and type this in your terminal and then enter, then it will automatically install in your laptops. So why is NumPy important in data science? So NumPy is faster than Python list, so that's why it is important, and there are many reasons more than it. So these are the topics that we cover in this video that cover the basic of NumPy, installing, importing, array creation, advantage, application, and practice question. So now we will do a code of it, and before going to code, first, I will try to, yeah, I just copy the, here by typing this, my NumPy already automatically install in my system like this. So this is a trick to install NumPy in your system. Now we will do a code of it that of array one. So here, here we have now creating array like today we will show it, I will show you it to you guys that how to create it. Like if I open like this, like this. So here by using this, or it automatically store the data NumPy. Here, here we create our first NumPy array. So NumPy array is to create like this using npy dot array. So I hope you guys understand from it. So see you guys in the next video, or maybe should I need to? I will continue the next part in this video. Like, so this is the next topic. So I will continue in this video. So next topic name is NumPy arrays. So we already did an example array. So now we will do a study about NumPy array. So basically, a NumPy array is a fast, fixed size, multi-dimensional container for storing element of the same data type. So a NumPy array is a collection of element of the same data type stored in continuous memory. Unlike Python, list NumPy array are much faster and consume less memory. Its syntax is like I already did. Sorry, first I will complete this syntax. According to this syntax, I done this array NumPy array sorting like this. You can check here. The syntax is same. So the next one is type of array. Array are of many type: 1D array, 2D arrays, and 3D array, multiple matrices. So like this. So first one is no, before first one is 1D array, that is a dimensional array containing element in single row. And the second one is 2D array, that is a two-dimensional array containing row and columns. And the third one is three-dimensional array containing multiple 2D arrays. So the next one is uh, creating array. So using np.array to create array in from Python list. This syntax is used to create array in Python list. Now the next one is a special array function. So the special array function are np.0 create an array of 0, np.1 create an array of 1, np.arrange create a value in range, np.line space create evenly spaced value. So basically, this comes in under array attribute that NumPy provides several useful attributes like this. So here each have different attribute to the sorry. Wait a minute. Sorry guys. So basically np dot zeros. So it create an array of zeros. So create an array filled with zeros. So next one is mp dot anodes. It create an array filled with one. Next one is np dot arrange. It create an array with a specific range. Next one is np dot line space. It create evenly a space value or numbers. So these are it. The attribute that is npdim dimension, shape, row and column size, total element, d type, data types. These are the array. Yeah, that I am trying to explain you about. These are the array attribute that shape, row and column. It return the dimension of an array. Shape return the dimension of an array, that how many row, how many column, like this. And whereas the size return the total number of element, like how many number of elements in it. Where ending return the number of dimension, like how many number of dimension in it. And data return the data type, like what data type, string data type, integer data type, what data type in it. So next one is moving to the next topic, that is reshaping array. The reshape to change an array dimension without changing its data. Use reshape, this syntax used to change an array dimension without changing its data. Now the advantage of NumPy arrays are fast computation, efficient memory uses, easy mathematical operation, and support for multi-dimensional data. These are the practice program that you should do at home, need to do at home. So now moving to the interview question, that what is a NumPy array? So a NumPy array is a fast multi-dimensional collection of element of the same data types. And if I ask you what that shape return, so it return the dimension of the array. And what the size return? So it return the total number of element, like this. So like this. And what does and D type, D type. Explain D type. So you know explain data is so the data type type of array, like this. So this is the basic summary of the video, that we cover NumPy array and array creation method and array attribute receiving advantage, practice question and interview question. So we need to practice a question for it, because in the summary here it's written that practice question. So we need to show that we practice some question in it. So I will give you a complete example question of array, like So this is the correct code where we use array numpy array. Here NumPy array is used where 1 to 7 rearrange, and here each function do its task like here a shape shape size and d type, like d type show the data type of variable that is in an integers, and ending show the dimension, and size show the size, like this and so on. So this is the example of NumPy array. So I hope you guys understand from it. So let's see you guys in the another video.